Welcome to MRL. In this learning session, we'll be learning the fundamental operations in mathematics. The fundamental operations in mathematics are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the symbols of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now let us first learn addition of numbers. So let us begin to learn how to add one-digit numbers. Now one digit numbers means there is only one digit here 3 and one digit 4. Now to add 3 and 4, 3 means 3 sticks, 4 means 4 sticks. So we have to add means we have to count them. So 3 sticks plus 4 sticks becomes 7. So 3 and 4 are called as addends here and 7 is the sum. So therefore 3 plus 4 is 7 and we are adding one digit number, that is 3 plus 4 is 7. So also 6 plus 6, 6 means 6 sticks, again 6 sticks, 6 plus 6 is 12, that means 10 plus 2, therefore in one digit place we have got 2 and in tens place we have 1, therefore 6 plus 6 is 12, here 6 and 6 are addends and 12 is the sum. That is how we add one digit numbers. Now addition of two digit numbers. When we talk about two digit numbers, we have got units digit and tens digit. That means 10 is having a unit digit as 0 and tens digit as 1, and 11 has unit digit as 1 and tens digit also as 1. So 10 means that means when we add the digits here, let us add the unit digit, that is 0 plus 1 is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Now we have to add the tens digits, 10 and 10, that means 10 and 10 becomes 20, therefore 1 plus 20 is 21. So the simple method is add units digit first, 0 plus 1 is 1, tens digit 1 plus 1 is 2. Please remember that. Now the next example, 49 is a two digit number, 28 is also a two digit number. Now the method is very simple. Add the digit in the units place. 9 plus 8 is 17. That means it is 10 plus 7. So 10 has to be carried to the tens place. 7 is the digit in the units place. So write 7 here. When we carry 10, that means we are carrying 1 10 here. Therefore 4 tens plus 2 tens plus 1 10 becomes 40 plus 20 plus 10, that is 70. 70 plus 7 is 77 and that is explained here. So therefore 9 plus 8 is 17, carry 1, 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Therefore the addition of 49 and 28 is 77. Now let us take one more example. 99 plus 19. 9 plus 9 is 18. That means there is one 10 to be carried, so to the tens place. So there is a 90 here, 10 here and another 10. So 90 plus 10 is 100. 100 plus 10 is 110. That means there are 10 tens here. Therefore we have to carry 1 further to the hundreds place, therefore it becomes 118. So 9 plus 9 is 18, carry 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So the sum of 99 and 19 is 118. So please remember that. Now why 1 has come in the hundreds place here? Because 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. There are 11 tens. 11 tens means 100 and a 10, and therefore there is one digit in the hundreds place in this case. Now let us proceed further. The three digit numbers, addition of three digit numbers. In three digit numbers we have got unit digits, then tens digits and the hundreds digits. So we have a number 111, that is 111 and 121, when we have to add them to get the sum. So first add the one digits numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2, so there is no carry here because there is no tens here. 1 plus 2 is 3, again no carry because it's 10 plus 20 becomes 30, and again 1 plus 1 is 2, that is 200, so it is 232. So we got 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 plus 1 is 2. We got ones digits, tens digits and hundreds digits. Therefore the sum of 111 and 121 is 232. Now let us take one more example. 786 plus 684. Add the units digit here. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 means 110 and unit digit is 0, carry 1 here because we are carrying 110. So 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, 17 means it is 17 tens, 17 tens means 7 tens plus 100, so carry 1 again. 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 1 is 14, again 14 means 14 hundreds, so write 400 in the hundreds place and carry 1, 1000 is carried further, so it is 1470. Now let us understand here. 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 units place, 1 is carried, that is 10 is carried to the next, that is 10th place. So 8 plus 1 is 17. There are 10 tens and 7 tens. So 7 tens are placed in the 10th place and 100 is carried to the 100th place. So 7 plus 6 plus 1 is 14. There are 14 hundreds here. So 4 hundreds are placed in the 100th place and 1000 is carried to the 1000th place. Therefore the sum is 1470. So 786 plus 684 is 1470. Let us take one more example. 245 plus 368. Directly we'll add now. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry 1, 110 is carried. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So 100 is carried and 1 is written here. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. The sum is 613. Remember that. Now let us take a slightly bigger example and let us add it directly. 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, carry 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore addition of ones digits, tens digits, hundreds digits, thousands digits, 10,000 digits, lakhs digits, 10 lakhs digits and crore digits. So this is what is the method followed. Always remember, when you get a carry, we carry it to the next step. That means we have a carry here because 7 plus 5 is 12, it is 10 plus 2. So we have to write to here carry 1, we have carried 110 here. Similarly, we have carried here what 10,000 here, we have carried 10,000. Therefore it is 4 plus 4, 8 plus is 1 is 9. So same procedure can be followed here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, carry 1. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, carry 1. Then 9 plus 10 is 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, plus 6 is 23, carry 2. Then 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, plus 5 is 20, carry 2. 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, carry 1. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So that is how we add the what you call numbers, that is addition of numbers of different digits, or 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, as many number of digits can be added in this procedure, in this method. So learn to add the numbers with as many examples possible. Now let us go for the next very important fundamental operation, that is subtraction, and the symbol of subtraction is minus here, that is minus. Now subtraction of 1 digit numbers first. 6 minus 3. 6 means 6 sticks. Minus 3 means we have to subtract 3, means we have to remove 3. 3 sticks are removed here. Remainder is 3. There we get 3 here. So this is 3. So 6 is the minuend, 3 is the subtrahend, and 3 is the difference. So therefore minuend minus subtrahend gives us the difference. The difference what we get is 3 here. Now let us take one more example. 8 minus 5. That means 8 means 8 sticks. 5 sticks have to be removed, so remainder is, that means we get 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3, that is the difference. Now in subtraction of 2 digit numbers, let us take example. 25 is one number, 14 is another number, we want to subtract it. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Simple. Whenever we have 5 greater than 4, simple subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. We have got 5 here, remove 4, we get 1. And here we have 2, remove 1, we get 1. So therefore the difference is 11. Now let us take an example of 25 minus 16. Now 5 is smaller than 6 here. So we cannot subtract 6 from 5. So we borrow 10 from the tens position. So when I take 10, that means I have to subtract. Please understand this very carefully. 10 plus 5 becomes 15. From 15 I have to remove 6. And when I remove 6 from 15, I get 9. Since I have borrowed 10 from 2, that means the 2 becomes 1. Therefore 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Because I have borrowed 10, 10 minus 10 becomes 0. Let us take a slightly bigger number. Let us say we want to subtract 699 from 782. Now 2 cannot, 9 cannot be subtracted from 2, therefore I have to borrow 10. When I borrow 10, it becomes 10 plus 2. So when I subtract 9 from 10, I get 1, and 1 plus 2 becomes 3. Therefore 12 minus 9 is 3. Now since I have borrowed 10 from here, 8 becomes 7. Now we cannot subtract 9 from 7, so I have to borrow 100 here. So 170, that becomes 170. From 100 subtract 90, I get 10, and add 70, I get 80. The 83 is we get 83 here. And now since I have taken 100 from here, it becomes 6, and 6 minus 6 becomes 0. So please understand the procedure here. Now let us make it more simple. There is an example here, 6,434, subtract 989 from that. So 9 cannot be subtracted from, borrow a 10 from here, it becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Since 10 is borrowed, 3 becomes 2. Then since 8 cannot be subtracted from 2, borrow 100 here, it becomes 120. So subtract 8, that means 12 minus 8 is 4. And since I have borrowed 100 from here, 4 becomes 3. That means I have to borrow 1000 here, it becomes 1300 minus 900, but that is 13 minus 9 becomes 4. And since I have borrowed 1, it becomes 5, and that means what we get is 5 minus 0 is 5. So the difference is 5445. So try to understand this. Borrowing 1 from 3, that means it becomes 10 plus 4, that is 10 minus 9, 1 plus 4 is 5. Borrowing 1 from 4, that means it becomes 100, 100 plus 20, that is minus 80, becomes 40. So if you can follow this method, it becomes so very simple. But generally we don't follow this in general calculations. We just adopt the method what I have just explained to you.